completed your optional, reading once will not make you mains prepared. Mains prepared is working a lot on the answer writing aspect. So this program is specially to make you prepare in such a short period of time so that you should be mains ready. While we are doing the optional, we do not able to focus too much on answer writing. Now in this program, the whole focus will be on the answer writing aspect. एक पॉइंट को कितना बड़ा करके लिखने से मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे, उसमें कितनी डायमेंशंस आपने ऐड करी. So the game is of adding dimension. Will help you to write your answers from multiple dimensions in these QEP classes. After the completion of the topic, there will be a test. 4 sectional and 4 full-length tests will be there. We'll give you the model answers. Model answers will going to give you a lot of quality where you will get a lot of pointers. Write your test on time. Get them evaluated. Objective evaluation you will get. I'll tell you, okay, these are the pointers which you should have added. And then you, in the class itself, you will feel, okay, this is you have missed and this is more what you have added. Mains requires less of the cramming, but mains requires a lot of conceptual clarity and mains requires a lot of interlinkages of these syllabus. So in this program, I'm going to emphasize a lot on interlinkages. Hello everyone. So this video is regarding the announcement of the QEP program, that is the Quality Improvement Program for the PSIR Optional, which I'm going to launch from 20th of June. So what I'm going to give you in this QEP program is, now this program is very helpful. First thing, this program is for whom? Now this program is for those who are done with their foundation and hopeful that they are about to qualify their pre-exam. By the time I'll start these classes from 20th of June, you will have your result in your hand. So those who will qualify and as the time constraint is there, and other than the time constraint, even if you have completed your optional, reading once will not make you mains prepared. Mains prepared is working a lot on the answer writing aspect. So this program is specially designed to make you prepare to write mains, to make you prepare in such a short period of time so that you should be mains ready. Okay, so this program is for those who are about to qualify their pre. Even if you will not be able to qualify your pre and you want to maintain that continuity, because UPSC in the end is about mains preparation, and anyhow if you have to write your next year attempt, then also you can be a part of this particular program, which will give you ample of clarity beforehand how you need to focus on your pre-exam. So now pre is over. I hope you have seen the key also which has been released by UPSC. Broader idea you have. So if your score is 70 above, my strong and genuine recommendation, you should start preparing for your mains. Take a break of 2-3 days. You need to relax your mind and then you need to prepare for your mains. Now the first thing is quick revision of the syllabus. Those things, GS is very fresh in your mind, and I'm sure you have not touched your optional from last 2-3 months. So first thing is to brush up all the concepts quickly. Have a complete, you need to read the syllabus, you need to revise the syllabus quickly. So classes will be from 20th of June. I told you this QEP program is for whom. We'll come to this aspect. Zaruri hai ya nahi? Is it necessary? So what I was recommending is, GS अभी बहुत fresh है. So you need to quickly revise your optional. सबसे पहले जल्दी से अपने, from wherever you have done, if you have done it from me, well and good, just revise it quickly. ठीक है ना? A quick revision of both papers. Now when you have done your foundation, at that time, the focus was on making notes. The focus was on making you aware about the concepts. In general, while we are doing the optional, we do not able to focus too much on answer writing. Now in this program, the whole focus will be on the answer writing aspect. And what I'm going to tell you is a lot of interlinkages. How you're going to link the knowledge which you will have of paper 1 and paper 2 with each other wherever required. So focus will going to be a lot on interlinkages. So if someone will going to write their first mains, for sure this program will going to help them a lot. even if in your second or third mains and you are not able to score well, you can think of being a part of this program. That will going to be your call. You can come and interact with me and discuss with me. I can see what kind of answers you are writing. Based on your skill, I'll recommend whether you need it or not. So focus will be on interlinkages. Focus will be on value addition. That whatever notes you have, you need to add a bit of value in your answers. And the value addition will be from the model answers, which I'll give you in the form of 8 tests, which are the part of this QEP program. So tests are aligned with the classes. After the completion of the topic, there will be a test. 4 sectional and 4 full length tests will be there. We'll give you the model answers. Model answers will going to give you a lot of quality where you will get a lot of pointers. Write your test on time, get them evaluated. Objective evaluation you will get. I'm going to have a discussion of those tests in the class, and then you will get the model answers. Read the model answers. Try to find the voids which were there in your answer. I'll give you the pointers. ठीक है ना? So I always say answer writing evaluation should not be giving you marks. It should always be giving you remarks. What all you missed in your answer. So remarks will be given. Proper remarks will be given to your every answer, every written answer. And take those remarks seriously and inculcate those remarks in your final mains. You will get the value addition in the form of model answers. Okay. In the class, other than the conceptual clarity, if you have some doubts, you can ask in the class. Quickly, I'm going to make you revise the whole syllabus. That will be the flow of the classes. Classes will be 3 days in a week. Class will start at 5 and it can go till 7:30 to a 2.5 hour class. So in this, we'll go for the quick revision of the syllabus with a lot of emphasis on interlinkages. And in the class, I'm going to discuss all the PYQs related to that topic. Let's say Western philosophers. I'm going to discuss the PYQs, the previous year questions on every philosopher, the previous year questions from the chapter of democracy. Okay. So that by the time mains will come, you have so many pointers in your mind. Okay. There's a memory called cache memory. In your active memory, you will have those points so that quickly you will be able to write your answers in that particular time limit. So I'm going to give you the questions. You are going to make the structure of the question in the class. Then I'll tell you, okay, these are the pointers which you should have added. And then you, in the class itself, you will feel, okay, this is you have missed and this is more what you have added. So this will going to be the flow of your class, right? Just for the sake of one example, like if I ask you, if you have to write a answer on something on freedom, something on the concept of equality. Now, if you have not read it the way I want you to write an answer, you will not be able to write a quality answer on such simple concepts. Because might be these things are not in your mind and that is not how you have studied. The way you need to write in your UPSC mains exam. Now, the moment I'll tell you, it will come to your mind, equality is a value and it has multiple interpretations and different schools gives a different interpretation on the concept of equality. First thing, who are the first flag bearer of equality? Liberals. What is liberal concept of equality? Equality of opportunity. Which according to socialist, who later became the flag bearer of equality? Socialist, which according to socialist is a procedural equality, not a substantive equality. For them, their concept of equality of outcome is the substantive equality. Might be, इतना तो आपको भी याद होगा, but suddenly आपके दिमाग में नहीं आएगा. What is feminist concept of equality? What is the notion of equality held by social liberals? What is utilitarian notion of equality? So you have to write in your exam multiple interpretations from these schools. That will give you the completion of your answer, completion to your answer. So more dimensions you will write on a concept. better marks you will going to get. You can do these things. Now, freedom can also have multiple interpretation. Freedom, from idealist view of freedom to liberal view of freedom. Difference can be between the view of classical and the welfare liberals, to Marxist view of freedom, to feminist view of freedom, to Sartre view of freedom, that is the philosophy of existentialism, to Gandhian view of freedom, to Aurobindo's view of freedom, to Macpherson's view of freedom, C.B. Macpherson. I hope you remember where this scholar comes. So you can see freedom, you cannot write. You can write from two perspectives. Another student has written from another 8 to 9 perspective. From multiple dimensions, another one has written. So easily you can understand who will going to score more if you will write like this, and if someone has written only from one or the two dimensions. So like in GS we say, marks will be of points, not how much you have elaborated one point. एक point को कितना बड़ा करके लिखने से marks नहीं आएंगे, उसमें कितनी dimensions आपने add करी. So the game is of adding dimensions. Will help you to write your answers from multiple dimensions in these QEP classes. Whatever dimensions I am aware of, whatever way I can help you in improvement of your answer writing. Okay, so if you have already scored very well in your last year mains or last to last year, and you think you are well prepared and you are equipped with all these dimensions from which you need to frame your answer, then you can do it on your own. But if you are in your first mains and you need to learn the nuances of answer writing, how to improve, how to consolidate in such a short period of time, you need quick revisions, you need a proper test series program to make you prepared for your mains, then this QEP course you can be a part of, which I'm starting from 20th of June. Okay. Best wishes, best of luck. And I've already told, if you want to join online, you need to enroll at the platform of Sarrthi. Though classes will be same, content will be same, test series will be same, test series evaluators will going to be same, discussions will be from, I'm only going to do the discussions of the test. Everything else will be same, and recorded classes will be given to both offline and the online students. Okay. Best wishes, best of luck.